that follow the light. So you look up and see the word that's written upon the sky. Strong and wise, keeping the Lord as your guide. And through the doubt you realize He's with you all the while. Follow that star above you. Should the world try to break you down, there is one who waits for you, though you can't see Him now. Thunder and rain surround you, but His love's just a breath away. If you follow your heart, follow the light, follow that path. What's up, y'all? It's Megan Thee Stallion, Ariana Grande, and Jimmy Fallon. Y'all know what time it is. It's time to get those boosters. It was a last Christmas. We stayed in my house. We covered our nose, covered our mouth. But it's Christmas time. We'll be alive forever. It was a last Christmas. We opened our souls. I can only get Wi-Fi in the laundry room. But it's Christmas time. We'll be alive forever. Stop. I need somebody to hold tonight. 'Cause it's gonna snow, 'cause it's gonna snow. I need somebody to hold me tight and never let go. So say that you're coming home. Jingle bells chiming, jingle bell time, dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square. In the frosty air, the right time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time is a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle hearts, pick up your feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle in the jingling feet. That's the jingle ride. In the night, that shows so bright. These boldly wise men, they travel far, and it's gonna make you where you lay. It's for all He stands for.